Mr. Restore is excited to be bringing something new to the market called Restore It Forward. We're intentional about giving back to our community, supporting our military, supporting our first responders, being a part of what is happening in the lives of those that we're around serving. And as a result, we created something called Restore It Forward. The goal of Restore It Forward is to actually give back to the community by way of $1,000 per month that we will be giving to a very deserving person or entity. And so we need your help with that. In order to do that, we need to know who is doing great things in the community, or maybe who is just in need, trying to homeschool their kids through a pandemic and may need the extra assistance, and we want to help. Not only do we want to help, but we want to invite you to come alongside and help us. One, by nominating people that are in need, and maybe providing a service or helping giving something to us at that level. Mr. Restore wants to be a part of our community and service to our community and giving back. We think giving back first is important, and we want to do just that.